This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice flour. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need uncooked rice, a high-speed blender or coffee grinder, and a fine mesh sieve. Choose long grain or medium grain white rice for a versatile flour. Ensure your equipment is clean and completely dry before you begin. This simple method yields excellent results for various culinary uses. After rinsing your rice, it's crucial to soak it properly. Soaking helps soften the grains, making them easier to grind into a fine flour. Aim for at least 4 hours, but overnight is even better for optimal results. Once soaked, drain the rice very well. Then, spread it out on a clean kitchen towel to air dry for about 1 to 2 hours until it feels dry to the touch but still slightly cool. Now it's time to grind your prepared rice. Work in small batches, filling your blender or grinder about 1/3 full. Pulse the rice until it transforms into a fine powder. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once ground, pass the flour through a fine mesh sieve. Any larger bits that don't go through can be reground to ensure a consistently smooth texture for your homemade rice flour. Properly storing your homemade rice flour is key to maintaining its freshness. Transfer the flour to an airtight container and keep it in a cool, dry place. It will stay fresh for up to 2 months, ready for your next culinary adventure. Rice flour is incredibly versatile, perfect for thickening soups, creating delicate noodles, or as a gluten-free alternative in many baking recipes. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.